Seriously, you're telling me nowadays, God, there's some boring things going on. People there, all you do is watch people's status, and that is it's nothing better.
Actually, me now because of this band of data doing band and tunes, that's why I've been in this the long that I've been there.
Hey, star, cash mama, you did your buying data, no? Please, I beg when the money comes. I'll be your mommy or Charlie.
I'll be, you know, me plus with the I'll be there like, hey, Obi say about funny form.
Hey. Oh, me have a call.
Hello, darling. Yes, darling. I'm fine, and you? Wow. Yeah, I'm home. No. Oh, I can't guess it. Just tell me, what is it? Oh. What? What did you just say? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? What? Oh my God. What? Yes. Charlie, you know something? Just give me 5 minutes. I'll be right there right now, okay? Just give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes, dear, 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, stop jumping up. What is it?
No.
You're getting me.
Yes.
No, tell me.
The guy wants me to come over. He wants to introduce me to his mom.
Oh, wait. It's a prank.
I'm serious.
Stop joking.
I'm serious.
Wedding bells are ringing. Wedding bells are ringing. Wedding bells are ringing. You need to hurry up, like ASAP. You cannot keep them waiting.
What will I wear? What will I wear? Madam, please. Can't you sit on the back and put your load on the lap? Excuse me, I'm in hurry, please. Mother Kukula, I'm not ready to run. Hey, I'll give you me by Mamma Pura Kamala Mona Mulo. How are they? No, you him, I see. No, you him. Relax. You just coming. I can't wait to see you.
Have a seat. How are you? Relax. Relax.
Oh. Okay. Relax.
Why are you so happy like that? Come on, let's show.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Relax. She went to the market to bring the bed some. Very soon.
Oh my God.
She'll be here very soon.
Are you sure?
Oh, she'll be here very soon.
I want to see you. Come on to meet
Should I give you some name somewhere?
Okay. All right.
Why do you do?
I can't wait.
Are you going somewhere?
I'm not going anywhere.
So relax, relax.
I can't wait to be here.
Relax. Look at.
Oh my God.
Okay.
They are funny. Oh my God. Astona.
Wow. Namu.
Yeah.
That's fine, Mom. It's fine. Mom. Mom. Ah. What is going on? D. Do you know my mom?
No.
Ah.
I'm a little alaka. I am a little jaffa. Okay, never majorly.
She's the one that I've been talking about.
Me mercy. My home, my Panajima did a massacre.
Ma, sit down so that I do the. But Mom, why? What is wrong? Am I was? Okay, you can pass it. Let's go. No, pass it. Ma.
Iba leba jikata kwenye matimu magapo nyofi baba fola pe amato.
What is going on? Tell me something. What is going on?
Na kwena bi. Nyamatimu magapo no agogo pe amato na molo. Anya sama. No mama.
But if you didn't tell me anything, I won't know.
Magala kwa na mato lo mabreno.